Did you know that this scientist one time cured HIV? Dr. He Jiankui sought fame and glory by attempting the unthinkable, creating the world's first genetically edited babies using CRISPR. In the conference room, He Jiankui nervously shuffled the papers in front of him as he prepared to give his presentation. That day was the day when he was going to announce to the world his groundbreaking achievement, the first ever genetically edited human babies. As a scientist in China, he had long dreamed of making a discovery that would change medicine forever. When the CRISPR gene editing technology was developed, allowing genes to be easily cut and modified, he saw an opportunity. In secret, he established a project to try using CRISPR to alter human embryos in vitro, with the goal of making the babies resistant to HIV infection. He found volunteer couples where the father was HIV positive, but the mother was not. In late 2018, he edited the embryos' genes and implanted them, resulting in 2 live births of twins. Prenatal testing showed that one twin from each pregnancy no longer carried the CR5 gene that HIV uses to enter cells. It seemed he had succeeded where no one ever had before. He created the first gene-edited humans. Now it was time to reveal his achievement to the world. He stepped up to the podium, slides loaded, to give his presentation at an international gene editing summit. But as he began to outline the details of his experiment, unease spread through the audience. What he had done involved modifying human embryos and altering the genetic makeup of future generations, things that had never been done before and carried serious risks. The reaction was swift and harsh. Other scientists condemned his work as unethical and dangerous. Investigations were launched by government agencies. He soon found himself facing possible criminal charges and lost his position at his university. His hoped-for fame and praise turned to scorn and criticism from the scientific community. In pursuing his quest for glory and a place in the history books, he had crossed ethical lines that most felt should not be crossed. His story served as a warning that with the power to directly engineer what it means to be human comes great responsibility, and progress must be made carefully for the benefit of all humanity.